Hi guys, it's me, Valerie Rivas, the CEO and founder of Royale Classic Creations, where we create customized classic designs that showcase our clients' individual style, leaving their guests astounded. I am coming to you today with another DIY tutorial. It is going to be a mirrored pillar stand. So you can use this at your wedding or any event that you're having. Um, and I just love them. They've actually become very popular. So I've been doing a lot of these lately. So I decided to go ahead and do this video. And I want to apologize that it's been a while since I have created a DIY video, but I've had so much going on. And I want to thank you all for all of your responses and your feedback. It's really been helping me out as far as the videos are concerned and other things that I'm doing. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much for that. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So first off, you're going to need your mirrors from the Dollar Tree, the frame mirrors. Mirror paper, I picked this up from Michael's. Duct tape, popsicle sticks. They also have these at the Dollar Tree as well, or you can get them at Michael's. Of course, your glue gun and whatever epoxy glue that you're going to be using. So guys, this is a really simple piece. If you watched the video that I did with the glass display box, it's pretty much the same concept. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your mirrors out of the frames. And I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera so I'm not wasting a whole lot of time. And then I will be back. Okay guys, so we got all our mirrors out. We removed them all from the frames. So now we're going to get started putting them together. So what you're going to do, like I said, is just like the other concept, is you're going to put them together. First I'm going to put them together, two, one at the top, one at the bottom. We're going to take our tape and the reason I can use this duct tape instead of the clear tape is because this is going to be on the inside of this, so nobody's going to see it. And then the reason we're using these popsicle sticks is because this is going to be standing. So it's going to be on the floor and it's going to have a centerpiece on top of it. So you want to make sure that it's nice and sturdy and it's not going to be coming apart on you. So we'll be using the tape and the popsicle sticks to make sure that it's nice and secure. And when you put the centerpiece on it, then you don't have any problems with it buckling. So just make sure you get that nice and straight, nice and even. And then your popsicle sticks. And then I'm going to put about 3 or 4 of these here. Because I want to make sure it's nice and sturdy. And again, guys, this is going to be on the inside, so it may look a little shabby, but once you get it completed and this is on the inside, nobody's going to know the difference. Okay, so you see how sturdy that is? It's not going anywhere. Okay, so that's one side, so I have to do 3 more sides and then I will be back. Okay, so we have all 4 sides done. Now we're going to start putting the sides together so that we can stand it up and fold it. So again, we're going to be using our duct tape. You want to just make sure that these are straight as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and continue this off camera and then I will be back. So here it is, guys. Got it all together, and you see this part here that's open. we're going to get our foam board, and then we're going to measure it by sitting this on top of a foam board. We're going to measure it out. We're going to draw that bottom part out, and then we're going to take that bottom part and we're going to measure another part. So we need 2 pieces of the foam board to cover this, because we're going to need one at the top and one at the bottom. And the one at the top is going to be covered with our mirror paper, so that it'll look like all mirrors. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will be back with the finished product. Okay, so here it is, guys, all finished. So I want to thank you all for joining me for this DIY tutorial. And as always, be royale, be classy, be creative. Please subscribe, please share. Love to hear your feedback. Thank you.